Welcome back to Primetime News. After one day of searching, a family clings to hope after Chad Allen was swept away by Sandy Gully floodwaters. The family recalls the devastating moments leading up to the event. Ramarda Lyons reports.
Family and friends on their fifth trip to the Sandy Gully in St. Andrew, hoping for a happy ending. And if that's not realistic, they at least hope for closure. This is Althea Wright, grandmother of 32-year-old Chad Allen, who they say was taken away by floodwaters from the Sandy Gully in Drewsland on Friday. She detailed the frantic moments after someone alerted her.
So when I run out now, running down on the side, I see him down in the gully, and he was touching up him, and I go so, like he was trying to tell me, Granny, help me, help me, help me. And I did it, and not more of him.
The family suspects that the current would have likely taken him to this point or farther. One relative here testing the depth of the water. Miss Wright says the family called the police on Friday.
We take the power on, so we have search for him, because we don't understand the gully, because we have to find him naked, him now have no clothes. I'm a grandson, I'm a love so much, and we have to find him.
Saturday morning, they visited the Dehaney Park police.
They was taking statement. They take all the send somebody, the fire truck or the driver, I don't know what they're going to say. Now for money to know with those, anybody come.
We go out from 5 o'clock this morning, searching for the youth, but we was so far to go along back to Trail Line Bridge right there, so I don't see him and thing, but we keep on thing, because I not want to give it up, you know. So we go make back another circle back again.
What's your relation to him?
Huh?
What's your relation to him? Remember what you?
Nothing at all.
Oh, you're just a...
Just resting, yeah.
In the meantime, police officers showed up to the scene sometime after 1:30 p.m. Mr. Allen's cousin sat at the police vehicle, pacing back and forth, waiting for help.
This may be the fifth trip. Family and friend try, and we can't find it because we are not professional.
It's been almost 24 hours, and family and friends of Mr. Allen are still out searching. Some have lost hope, some remain hopeful, but now as it starts to rain, one of their biggest fears is materializing. It was their concern that if it starts to rain, his body would just be taken farther, making it more difficult to find him.
Come help me, I took up my little gun. Let's do that for me, I'm a good. If I'm dead, more Bobby.
Sharon Wright, his aunt, is disturbed by what she said is a lack of swift action from the police.
We need help. Somebody come help me. We can't find my nephew. He was here on the gun from yesterday. The gun rain so far again. When he help.
Now, she's left with questions.
What's going on in Jamaica? Now help me to support people. Come on, man.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.